name is Morino Beautifully. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I'm going to mix a cream, okay? For someone actually contacted me before and asked me to mix a cream to whiten her elbow and knees. So I said, okay, there is something I will mix for you. She actually paid me, but it's just a little bit pay, okay? So I added something on this cream, the Nature Secret, for her, and it works for her. She called me again and asked me to, to add the same thing and send to her again. But I told her it's just simple. Let me just tell you what I added, but she insisted I should add it. I didn't charge that much for her. She insisted I should add it by myself. So on today's video, I'm going to show how I actually mix this. I mix it with Carotone. You guys know, I told you guys that Carotone oil is good and the serum is good too. So I'm gonna mixing this one with the Carotone oil, then mix it with Nature Secrets. See, I haven't even opened it, so this is the one I used before to mix with her, because I've used this before, okay, to whiten the leg or the elbows, like, yeah, the edges. So she wanted me to mix again for her, so this is one I used before. Then this is this contains, it says original, it contains carrots. It's very, very nice. It's white inside. It calls Nature Secret. It also has a face cream. Like if I could remember, it has face cream. It has a body lotion. I remember it has a body lotion. I don't know if the product has oil. I haven't checked, honestly. But I know Carotone oil works best in this kind of mixture, okay? So I'll just add oil in it. Look, the cream is already up here, so adding oil in it, just add small oil so you have a space on how you can turn it, or you can even pour it on a stove, or maybe on a bowl, and turn it, or cup, turn it thoroughly, then that's it. But I prefer turning it in this I prefer turn it inside here, or if it's not, like, you're not comfortable turning it inside here, you can actually pour small. That's why I bring this cup. You can actually pour small in here, gentle. See how it goes. It doesn't even take much of your time because the cream is a little bit thick. See that? Gentle. You add it there. You add it there. You can add oil any amount you want. Then make sure you turn it thoroughly. So I'm done with mixing this one. I add more oil on this one. I don't have any quantity of oil I mix on this mod. It depends on whatever my mind tells me that it's okay. But for the fact it's not all, she's not applying it on all over her body. It's just a specific area of her body, okay? Anywhere you see that you have a dark spot, not on your face, you just, not on your face, on your body, especially the edges, okay? You just apply it there, okay? This is for that, not on your face. Let me repeat, I haven't applied this on my face before, and the person I'm mixing it for is not applying it on her face before. So this is my little secret of dark areas. This Carotone oil is very, very nice, honestly. Okay, that's it. You can cover it, apply it on your edges of your body, whenever there is a dark spot. This will clear it very well. Your legs, this will clear it very well, okay? So that's it for this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Tell a friend and tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend, okay? See you guys.